Alright people, hi, hello, hola, yo, this is Jai from MechStuff, and today we will see, wait, I suppose you already know what we are going to do today because you already just saw at the beginning of the video. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Coming to our requirements, well, you're only going to need a handful of parts. First you'll need a breadboard, then a couple of jumpers, then obviously an Arduino Uno or any other Arduino board, LED, and a sound sensor. Well, the one which we have got here has got 4 terminals over here, and another one with 3 terminals is also available in the market, but this one has got an extra pin called as analog output, so I decided to buy this, which will be much useful in future. So I decided to go with this, and we are going to follow a tutorial with this. Well, I have got all these parts from hightechnology.co.in, and if you want to buy them, then go visit their website. Link is given in the description. So moving to our connections, let's take a sound sensor, and it has got 4 pins. The first one is the VCC, which goes to the 5V supply on the Arduino board. The second is the ground pin, which goes to the ground terminal of the Arduino board, and the third is the digital pin, which goes to pin number 3 on the Arduino board. So let's just start connecting them. Let's get the LED now and mount it on the breadboard. The positive terminal goes to any of the digital pins. I'll go for pin number 7, and the negative terminal goes to the ground. Well, that's it. That's all you need to do in the connections part. Now let's move to our coding part. So we have defined pin number 3 as the digital output pin of the sensor, and pin number 7 as the external LED which we have connected. Also, we have set a threshold value by setting the potentiometer on the sound sensor. So if the sound intensity is higher than the threshold value which is set by us, then the sensor would return the value as 1. So if the sensor value returns the value as 1, then the LED would be turned on, else it will be turned off. That's it. Alright, so now moving towards our testing part. Well, before that, let me tell you about this blue box kind of thing over here. Well, it's just a potentiometer, and it adjusts the sensitivity of the sensor and nothing else. So moving it in the anti-clockwise direction decreases the sensitivity of the sensor, while moving it in the opposite direction, that is clockwise, it increases the sensitivity. So what we are going to need here is the position of the potentiometer should be such that the red light should just turn off. So let's try doing it here, and yeah, let's try. Yeah, this is perfect. This is exactly what we want. Alright, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, then please like us. If you loved our video, then please subscribe us. And if you have any suggestions, then the comment section is always open for you. I'll be back with another interesting video soon. Until then, adios, sayonara, goodbye, bye bye.